Now, racket hand. For racket hand, if you are holding the racket on your right hand, that is your racket hand. And your left hand is your free hand. Now, for in play, it is the moment. So, for example, the ball is on your free hand, and the moment you release the ball during service from your free hand, that is the ball is in play. Okay, again in play, it is the moment you release the ball or you toss the ball from your free hand. Okay, and that is in play. Now, next is rally. Now, rally, it is the sequence of playing actions from the moment of the service hit by the server until the ball is out of play. And or simply, a rally is the period when the ball is being played or the ball becomes out of play when an error occurs and is called by the officials. Okay, again, rally, it is the period when the ball is being played. And point is the score awarded to the team or to the player who wins the rally. Or point, it is the result of a rally which is scored. Okay, and let it is the result of a rally which is not scored or no one earns the point. Okay, and again, if no one earns the point, that is let, and if it is let, then if you are the server, then repeat service. Okay, or in Tagalog, repeat is ulit. Okay, so repeat service, that is let. Now, next is the strikes. Now, for the strikes, we have the forehand. Okay, so if you are, again, your racket hand here is your right hand. Okay, and then that is the stroke for forehand. Okay, or the strikes for forehand. And next is the backhand. Okay, again, for the strikes, we have forehand and backhand. Now, server. Server is the player who will strikes the ball first. Okay, again, the server is the player who strikes the ball first. Then the receiver, so here as you can see here on the picture, the server is the player the one who is wearing black shirt. Okay, and the opposite of that is the receiver. Okay, the one who is wearing yellow green. Okay, so again, the receiver is the player who strikes the ball second. Okay, now what about umpire? Here, umpire, it is the person who decides the result of a rally, whether it is a let or a point. Okay, again, umpire, the person who decides the result of a rally, whether it is a point or a let. An assistant umpire is the one who keeps the record or the scorer. Okay, so that is assistant umpire. Now, next. Now we have the racket. Okay, so this is the paddle for table tennis. So the paddle is made of rubber. Okay, and then on the side is the blade, and in between of the rubber front and at the bottom, that is in between of that is the sponge. Okay, and the handle is made of wood. Then for the ball or the ping pong ball, the diameter is 4 centimeters or 40 millimeters. Okay, and the weight of the ping pong ball is 2.7 grams. And for table tennis, we have white or uh, light orange or the orange color for the ping pong ball. Okay, now for the table is 9 feet length and the width is 5 feet and the height of the table is 2 feet and 6 inches. Okay, or 2.6 6. Now, there are types of grips. First, we have the pen hold, okay, and the shake hand grip. Now, for the pen hold, the one is on the racket is on what do you call this? The left side. That is the backhand, okay, backhand grip, and on the right side, that is the uh, forehand grip. Okay, then next, shake hand grip. This is the easiest or the common grip. Okay, so again, the black side, or it's either black or red. But on this picture, if the one is on the left side, that is the black side, that is the backhand grip. Okay, and then on the right side, that is the um, forehand grip for shaken. Okay, again, our next grip is the similar grip. Okay, and lastly is the V grip. Again, these are the 4 types of grips: pen hold, shaken, similar, and V grip. Now, there are 3 types of racket positions. So please watch the short video clip. In table tennis, there are 3 types of racket position: open, close, and flat position. Okay, again, there are 3 types of racket positions: open, close, and flat position. Now for our activity today, uh, it's the ball control number 1. Okay, so for ball control number 1, there are 3. Okay, 3 bounces from your forehand, that is for forehand grip, then 2 backhand bounce, then 3 forehand and backhand bounce, or a combination of forehand and backhand alternately. Okay, so you make 10 bounces for each. Okay, so that is for activity today. Now I'll show you the demonstration for each bounces, or for each type of grip. So here, this is for the forehand bounce. Again, please watch the demonstration. Ball control number 1. Make 10 forehand bounce, 10 backhand bounce, and combination of forehand and backhand. For forehand bounce, use the open position and maintain racket at waist level, your elbow close to your hips, and the bounce must be above head level. 1, 2. Okay, again, you make 10 bounces for forehand bounce. Okay, and maintain your racket at waist level. Okay, and the bounce of the ball must be above head level. Okay, so that is for forehand bounce. So again, for forehand bounce, the grip is what they call this a shaken and forehand or forehand grip, okay, or in a open position. Next, ball. Now for backhand grip, so please watch. Backhand bounce. 1. So again, same as with forehand bounce, maintain your racket at waist level, okay? And the ball must be above head level, okay? And for this position, racket position, it's close position, okay? So that is backhand bounce. Now next is the combination of forehand and backhand bounce. Forehand and backhand combination. Here, the lower the bounce, the better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, again, maintain racket at waist level. And here for the combination, um, the lower the bounce, the better. Okay, so you do the forehand and backhand alternately. Okay, so again, 10 bounces for each. 10 bounces for forehand, backhand, and combination. And that is for ball control number 1. Okay, so are you ready? Are you excited for this activity? Okay, now in Proverbs 14:23 it says, all hard work brings a profit, but mere talk leads only to poverty. So laboring or toiling at any endeavor feels good at the end of the day. A day of hard work, even if the progress was uh, indistinguishable, is satisfying to the soul. Okay, and it contains the uh, richness of self-worth. It sows the seeds of new learning in our work, and it also always brings us closer to becoming a better person. Again, Proverbs 14:23. All hard work brings a profit, but mere talk leads only to poverty. Proverbs 14:23. So now you may now proceed in your activity, ball control. Number 1, you practice first, and then maybe after 15 minutes, then perform the performance number 1, ball control number 1. Thank you and have a nice day.